Should we go this way? Jaylee is almost 10 months. She's cruising around. Come here. Trying to get her a workout so she gets tired and goes to bed a little earlier. Jaylee. Jaylee. Come here.
Your garage door needs a helping hand.
Bye-bye. 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 Jaylee. No, this way. Alright, Jaylee Jojo. Alright, come back this way one more time. Come here. Come here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job.